Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words in the World Coordinate Converter. This is a free open web application that converts spatial coordinates into a wide range of reference systems. So let's go ahead and go to their website. And the first thing you're going to do is to select the reference system of your data. We're going to go ahead and do that by clicking right over here and scrolling down to find what3words. Next, you can go ahead and select a destination reference system. In my case, I'm just going to put in GPS. And now you can go ahead and zoom into the app. So in my case, I want to go somewhere in Paris. So I'm going to click right here. And as you can see, it returns the 3-word address of that exact location. And if you want to convert that into GPS, you can just click on Convert. And now here the latitude and longitude has changed. If you want to search for a 3-word address, you can do so by typing in this bar over here. So in my case, I'm going to type in filled, count, soap, and click enter. And it's going to take you to that exact 3-word address. That's how easy it is to use what3words in the World Coordinate Converter. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.